Police personnel are keeping up the heat on absconding gangster Vikas Dubey, who's been accused of killing 8 cops in an ambush in Kanpur last week. A hotel in Faridabad was raided after the Haryana police received specific inputs about the gangster actually hiding there. While Dubey was not found in the hotel during the raids, cops have found CCTV images that indicate that he was present in the hotel. Another henchman of the gangster was nabbed there. Meanwhile, Vikas Dubey's right-hand man, Amar Dubey, has been killed in an encounter in Hamirpur. The operation was conducted by Uttar Pradesh State Task Force. Now, India Today has also learnt that the gangster had used a bicycle and a bike to escape after the ambush. He'd arranged, in fact, a luxury car for his wife and son to flee Lucknow before the encounter. Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath at this point is personally monitoring the situation, unhappy with the cops for not nabbing the Don yet.
मोदहा की टीम और एसटीएफ की टीम द्वारा घेराबंदी की गई तो इस व्यक्ति ने पुलिस टीम पर फायरिंग की, जिसमें कि हमारे एसएचओ मोदहा को गोली लगी और एक एसटीएफ के कांस्टेबल को गोली लगी। जो जवाबी कार्रवाई की गई उसमें ये व्यक्ति घायल हुआ। इसे यहाँ से हॉस्पिटल भेजा गया। हॉस्पिटल में इसे अभी कुछ देर पहले सूचना मिली है कि मृत घोषित कर दिया गया है।
शाम को पुलिस आई थी, उन्होंने चेक करा, पूरा रूम वूम देखे थे, पर उन्हें किसी ने गलत खबर दी थी। बहुतों ने कहा कि गोली चल गई है, फलाना हो गया, ये हो गया, वो होगा। पर जब प्रशासन आया, टीम आई, उन्होंने चेक करा, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं मिला। ये झूठी खबर है कि किसी को अरेस्ट करा है, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं हुआ। उन्होंने हमारी बिल्डिंग देखी, ऊपर से नीचे तक रूम चेक करे, फिर वो अपना तहकीकात करके तसल्ली करके सब चले गए।
हमें कुछ पता नहीं लगा, पुलिस वाले आए तब हमें पता लगा ये। तो वो बोले भागो तुम लोग दुकान बंद कर। हम लोग दुकान बंद करके भाग चले उधर से पेट्रोल पंप का तरफ।
Shivendra Srivastava is joining us live from Kanpur with all the latest on the investigation by the police. Shivendra, this is now spreading to different parts. It's not just restricted to Uttar Pradesh. You're seeing raids happening in Haryana. We understand that Vikas Dubey's family members in Madhya Pradesh are also being questioned. But are there any leads right now as to exactly where this gangster could be?
See, this is very challenging time for UPSTF because they are suspecting that he is trying to run away from UP to other states. That's why several teams of UPSTF and local police are camping towards on the border of UP. And that's why this is the reason that he was seen near Faridabad in a hotel. UPSTF sources suggest that he is Vikas Dubey who was trying to fled away from Faridabad. But till now they have not succeeded to arrest him or to nab him. But one more thing is very important, that Amar Dubey, who is very close associate of Vikas Dubey, is being killed in Hamirpur district of Uttar Pradesh, which is near to MP. And this also shows that criminals involved in this bizarre incident, they are trying to run away from UP so that they can save their life.
All right, Shivendra, my apologies for interrupting. Mr. Shlok Kumar, Hamirpur SSP, is joining us on this broadcast. Sir, can you just give us details of the operation that happened in Hamirpur? We understand that Vikas Dubey's right-hand man has been gunned down.
We had a tip-off early in the morning that this man named Vikas Amar Dubey is having some movement in this area. On that tip-off, our team and the team of STF, they conducted a joint operation. This Amar Dubey was cordoned off and he started indiscriminate firing on the police party. In retaliatory fire in self-defense, Amar Dubey received bullet injuries, and our SHO of Modaha police station, he received a bullet injury, and one of the constables of STF received a bullet injury. They both have been sent to hospital for medical care. We have just received an information that Amar Dubey has been declared got dead at the hospital. Our forensic units are here and we are collecting forensic evidence. One automatic small arm has been recovered from the site, which he had used for firing on the police party, and some other forensic evidences are here which are being collected.
Mr. Kumar, also at this point, if you could give us more details about Amar Dubey's link to Vikas Dubey. He's been termed as the right-hand man of the gangster, is that correct?
This needs to be verified from Kanpur. We got a tip-off that he has been moving here and he engaged with police in return of which the police party here retaliated and he received bullet injuries. Rest of the investigation relating to the incident and his connections is being done by Kanpur police, and other UP police teams are also on it.
Mr. Kumar, before I let you go, one final question, sir. Considering that he was armed when the police approached him, do you suspect that he knew the cops were coming to nab him?
He fired on the police team, so he very well knew that police team was there, and still he fired on them. So, under the provisions of CRPC and IPC, proper action was taken by our police.
All right, Mr. Shlok Kumar, thank you for joining us here on India Today. So you've got the Hamirpur police giving us details also of the operation that happened, in which an associate of Vikas Dubey, Amar Dubey, pictures of which you see on your screens, he's been gunned down by police officials after he opened fire indiscriminately at the cops who had come there to arrest him. This is what the police have stated on record. Let me take this back to Shivendra. Shivendra, my apologies for interrupting you there earlier, but the Hamirpur police saying that they had specific inputs about Amar Dubey being present there. There will be questions really in the course of this investigation as to exactly who helped Vikas Dubey flee, and there's suspicions at this point that he's already out of Uttar Pradesh.
See, the fact is that like Hamirpur police was acting on tip-off given by UPSTF, because they had information that some person who is associated with Vikas Dubey is moving in that area. That's why Hamirpur local police assisted STF to nab him. During the encounter process, he got killed by the UPSTF and local police as well. That's why they have very limited information about this Amar Dubey. But the fact is that he was close associate of Vikas Dubey. You can see in these emerging pictures where he can seen with this Fortuner car and also with the rifle. Both belongs to Vikas Dubey, which is damaged later by the police, Kanpur police. You can see those pictures as well, in which this Fortuner is seen that Kanpur number plate, having Kanpur number plate. So the fact is that he used to be with Vikas Dubey most of the time, and he used to travel with Vikas Dubey, and he was kind of henchman of Vikas Dubey, and he was very fond of luxury cars and rifles and weapons as well. That's why he was posting these kind of pictures on social media. From there, UPSTF got these pictures for we are now running these pictures. So Vikas Dubey was having this person as a right hand. Amar Dubey, encounter of Amar Dubey is very important because he was trying to run away from UP to other state as well. That's what other gang members are doing. They are trying to save their life because they know if UPSTF will catch them, they will be killed in an encounter, because UP CM Yogi Adityanath very furious and very angry on the investigation process and delay in arrest of Vikas Dubey. So big challenge before UPSTF is to catch him as soon as possible, because until unless they are not catching Vikas Dubey, this case will not be revealed, that how it all happened and what was the reason that Vikas Dubey killed 8 policemen in this firing.
Shivendra, can you just tell us so far how many aides, associates of Vikas Dubey have been taken into custody?
See, as far as no official confirmation is given, but we can collect it from our sources, which suggest that more than a dozen people are in custody of UPSTF. They are helping to tell that whether Vikas Dubey is hiding here or there. They are going with UPSTF team to identify the places and other associates of Vikas Dubey. That's what UPSTF is doing, because they are working on 2 kind of technologies. One electronic surveillance, and other one is human network, which is very important in this case, because Vikas Dubey is not using mobile phone or ATM or credit card. That's why digital footprint are not available, but the fact is human network is working properly. That's why they got information about Amar Dubey and also about Vikas Dubey in Faridabad. Right now, several teams are having a few associates of Vikas Dubey with them, so that they can raid at several places. Whosoever are associated with Vikas Dubey in the past, so they are helping. But the fact is that Vikas Dubey is having stronger network than UPSTF. That's why when UPSTF reached to Faridabad, he fled away before police reached there. And here in same other cases, UPSTF was supposed to catch few associates of Vikas Dubey, but before they reached there, they fled away. And this is the big challenge, because if they run out from this UP state, it would be very difficult for UPSTF to catch Vikas Dubey.
And let's hope that, there is some breakthrough in the investigation. A lot of questions that are being asked to the police as well as to why 6 days on, they've still not been able to nab Vikas Dubey or get any leads as to exactly where he is. Shivendra, thank you for getting us the latest updates on that story.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.